Losing access to the email connected to a Facebook account can feel stressful, especially if you still need access to your photos, messages, pages, or personal information. The good news is that Facebook offers several official recovery methods that may help users recover accounts even without access to the original email. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to recover a Facebook account without email in the United States step by step in 2026. First, open the official Facebook app or website and go to the Account Recovery section. And honestly, keeping updated recovery information is one of the best ways to avoid account access problems later. Secure recovery options can save a lot of stress in the future. And that's your full guide on how to recover a Facebook account without email in the United States in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of the safest official methods to regain account access and improve Facebook account security.